Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can cash out on Mistplay. So it's actually very easy. First up, open the Mistplay app and log in into your account, and then your steps 2 should be just tap the shop or redeem tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on it, just basically check your available units balance. So if you got like, let's say 12,000 units, so you can browse through the available rewards such as gift cards or cash options, and then select the reward you want and then tap on redeem, and then confirm your redemption request and wait for Mistplay to process your reward and send it to your chosen account or email. And once it's done, just check your email or reward history confirmation. And here's a tip: make sure your account is verified and meets Misplay's redemptions requirements before cashing out. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.